Hello everyone, I'm Vinita. Today we'll do determiners. It is for classes 9, 10th and 11th. Determiners are a group of words that determines or limit the meaning of a noun phrase. Determiners are words that come before a noun and serve to modify the noun. A determiner may indicate whether the noun is referring to a definite or indefinite element of a class. To understand in detail, we'll move further. Kinds of determiners: articles, demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers, distributive, interrogative, numbers. We'll do one by one in detail. First is articles. Articles are common and the most used in determiners in grammar portion. Articles specify which noun the speaker is referring to. A and an are indefinite articles and are used when you are talking about a general version of the noun. For example, please give me a black pen. An ostrich would beat a chicken in a race. In these examples, the sentence is talking about pen or ostrich in general, meaning it can be any pen, any black pen. When your meaning is general, use an indefinite article. Note that A is used before words that begin with consonant sounds, while an is used before words beginning with vowel sounds. On the other hand, the is a definite article, meaning the speaker is referring to a specific noun. For example, we went to the best restaurant in the town. I want the car that I saw this morning. The is also used before the names of rivers, holy books, mountain ranges, sea, oceans, etc. Next is demonstrative determiners. These are demonstrative pronouns also, which are used as determiners. They are four in numbers: this, that, these, and those. Demonstrative determiners are used in a situation in which the speaker can point to the item they mean, making them even more specific than a definite article. For example, do you want this piece of cake? I don't want to go to that movie. These black raspberries are sour. He wanted those boys to go away. This and these refer to items nearby. That and those refer to items which are far. This and that are singular, while these and those are plural. Next is possessive determiners. It refers to a noun that belongs to someone or something. They are used to show ownership. Possessive pronouns include my, your, his, her, its, their, our. For example, it is my car. You're showing possession that it is your car. Which one is his house? Honesty is her best quality. The tree shed its leaves. It's our secret recipe. As always, the determiner comes before the noun and any modifying adjective. So these are possessive determiners which shows possession. Next is quantifiers. Quantifiers are determiners that indicate how much or how little of the noun is being discussed. They include words such as much, more, many, some, all, several, any, a lot of, little, few, a little, any. For example, he took all the books. She liked all desserts equally. Many kittens are taught to hunt by their mothers. If you see the first and second sentence, all can be used with other determiners to specify which particular items are meant. Like in the first example, that is all the books in this pile. It is referring to all the books in this pile. In this case, the quantifier always comes before the article or demonstrative. It's also possible to use all alone, like to refer to items generally. As in the second example, you can see she liked all desserts equally. It is a general use. Distributive determiners. They refer to a group of people or things and to individual members of the group. They show different ways of looking at the individual within a group, and they express how something is distributed, shared, or divided. Examples are each, every, either, neither, all, half, both. The president gave each soldier a medal. If we look for the first two, each and every, you can clearly see the difference. Each and every are used to talk about the members of a group as individuals. And if we specifically take it like each means everyone regarded individually. And every means everyone regarded as a whole. If you see the example, first example, the president gave each soldier a medal. That means all the soldiers are there, but we are referring to them individually. And in the second example, every soldier saluted the president as he arrived. That means all together, as a whole, we are talking about the soldiers. Using all, how do we use all? When we are talking about the whole group, half when we talk about the divided group, both is used to talk about both, either and neither are used to talk about pairs of people or things. Next one is interrogative determiners. They use the words like what, which, and whose before nouns to ask about people or things. These words are interrogative determiners. For example, what kind of bird is that? What time is it? What color is her hair? What kind of clothes do you like to wear? Which school do you go to? So these are which ask the questions using the words which, whose, what. Hope it is clear. Now numbers. In terms of meaning, numbers are similar to quantifiers, but they are mostly treated separately. Cardinal numbers are counting numbers. Like you can see 1, 2, 3, and they also gives the answer of how many. So 1, 2, 3. Whereas ordinal numbers are first, second, third, and so on. An ordinal number is a number that indicates position or order in relation to other numbers. As I have told you, it tells the position or number, like first, second, third, and it can be so on. That's all for today. Thank you.